Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can insert emojis in your pages on Microsoft Loop. So let us dive into this. In the first step, navigate to Microsoft Loop, and after that, in the second step, select one of your workspaces, either from the recent list or from the list of workspaces here. In the third step, select your page. And in the fourth step, guys, there are two options. You either add an icon or emoji to your page title by clicking into this button here and by selecting one of the available emojis from that list below. That's option number one. Option number two, you simply insert these emojis as a text or command inside your page. So navigate to a new text field here, enter the command / and then enter emoji and select the communication emoji picker and repeat the same process. Select an emoji from that list. You can go with smileys, or with hand signs or gestures, people, animals, then we got hobbies, food, and so on and so forth, or even colors here. So let me go with an emoji like this one and add it to your page. You can copy and paste it, of course. You can also customize it by highlighting it. Well, bold and italic letters wouldn't make any sense with emojis, but as you can see, some of these text formatting tools are even applicable to emojis. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.